In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can fix Shopify Opening Soon page. Now, if you have this page, whenever you try to open your Shopify store, you see this Opening Soon. Now, probably you want to edit it or you want to remove it. Now, if that's what you want, just watch this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, so probably you have downloaded PageFly. PageFly allows you to create a coming soon page. If you are fixing something on your Shopify store and you want other people to stop checking your Shopify store until you fix everything, and that's some people, they have downloaded PageFly and now they see this password they see this coming soon page and they don't know how to remove it or how to fix it. Now, for example, first thing you need to do, if you have downloaded PageFly, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay, and you want to click on apps and sales channels and see here if you have downloaded anything that helps create coming soon page. You just need to uninstall it, okay. Just click on these three little dots and then click on uninstall, and then again on uninstall, and that's it. Now, if that's not the case, now what you need to do, guys, now to remove the password protection or to remove coming soon page from Shopify, if you haven't downloaded any third-party apps, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click here on settings and you want to click on plan. Now keep in mind that if you don't select a plan, I already selected a plan here, you will not be able to your customers will not be able to check your Shopify store. You will always see this password protection. You will always have to enter the password to access your Shopify store, okay, and that's not what you want. So you will have to select a plan. Basically it's only $1 for the first month, so you just need to select it and then pay $1, and that's it. Now, if you have already selected the plan but still you have this coming soon page done, it's going to be easy in this case. Just go to online store, go again to the dashboard of your Shopify store, click on online store and then click on preferences, and you want to scroll down and you just need to uncheck this. Uncheck this box, okay. It says here restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it and remove this password here and then click on save. Now I'm going to reload this page, and as you can see, now I am able to access my Shopify store. As you can see now I'm able to access it right now. Okay, like I said, just go to online store, click on preferences and then scroll down and then uncheck this, okay. If it's checked, you want to uncheck this box, and that's it. Click on save and that's it. Hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next one.